How's it going, guys and girls? Today we're talking about a new ultra compact wireless microphone system. Works with iPhones, iPads, Androids, Mac, PC, and even digital cameras right out of the box. This is a budget-friendly wireless mic for you content creators, vloggers, and podcasters with some pro features. So let's get into the review. Okay, guys, so here we have the microphone. It does come with this gray pouch, and it's a zipper that goes around it so you can open it. There we go. And there is the package there. So what you get here is the two mics and the receiver here. It does come with the charging cord, as you can see, for the wireless receiver and the wireless mics. Then you have another USB-C cable that you can connect to your camera or your phone. It does have the socks so you can put them over the microphone so it kind of breaks the wind. That's the way it looks. It does come with two. It does come with a lightning cord also for your Apple users. And then it does come with two clips that you can put in back of the mic. They clip like that, and they have a magnet in the back, you see? And you can actually adjust the way you'd like to adjust it. Last, they come with a 3.5 jack, and that's if you want to connect it to your mirrorless cameras. So we're going to look at this real quick. We're going to go ahead and press button 1 for 3 seconds, and it should turn on. 1, 2, 3, there you go. And so now it's blinking right here. You can see that it's trying to pair with the receiver. So let's do the same on button number 3. We're going to hold it down for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and you'll see it's trying to pair. Once it turns solid, that means it's paired. And it's paired already. So the mic has connected automatically to the receiver. And there's a difference of EQs for different types of voice that you want to use. And we're going to go through them. So let me go ahead and go outside and hook this up so you guys can see the difference. Switching EQ modes. To switch through different EQ modes, click button 1 once. One blink means you are on EQ mode 1. Click button 1 once again. 2 blinks means you are on EQ mode 2. Click button 1 once again. 3 blinks means you are on EQ mode 3. Click button 1 once again and you are back to the first mode. Okay, guys, so we're going to go ahead and do this first without the mic, and I have the mic here. And just so you guys can get a feel of all the background noise and since how distant I might sound from the camera phone. So then we're going to shift through the modes. So starting with the first thing is we're going to take it out of its pouch here. EQ mode 1. All right, guys, so here I have the mic, and it's on EQ mode number 1. So that is a natural sound with no colorization. So as you can see, there is a difference between what you were hearing before with the camera mic and now what you're hearing with the creator mic. EQ mode 2. And it flashes right here, and you'll see that now I'm on EQ mode 2. And this adds body and air to your voice, giving you more of a broadcast feel like a podcaster. So it kind of boosts up your voice. So you might hear that there's an improvement on what from the previous mode. EQ mode 3. And now the light will blink 3 times, and that means it's on mode 3. And this rolls off the low end to avoid any rubble or noise. So basically, if you were to look at the EQ of this mic, and I'll put it up here somewhere on top, you'll see that the low end is kind of EQ'd down, so you won't get that P's or those B's too poppy. You won't get a rubble or as much pop as you would on the other EQ modes. Other features include 30-minute charge time for a 5-hour use, 100 feet mic range, mic's volume can be lowered and higher and muted, each mic signal can be separated, built-in limiter, and many, many other features. Really cool feature that you don't see in a lot of mics at this price point. So now I'm going to get up, walk. You can see that anywhere I go, whether I'm going to open the barbecue pit, whatnot, I can have my hands free, and the clips to my shirt. I'm free to do what I want. You can have a cap. You can clip it to your cap. You can also just hold it like a lot of people have been doing it. So if you're a content creator that's been thinking about a mic upgrade or thinking about becoming a content creator, this Wynwood Sound Creator mic is a solid choice with pro features found on much more expensive mics. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Check out the video description below for the Amazon link and also for information for a chance to win this mic on a live stream in the coming weeks. If you like product reviews of pro audio equipment and electronics, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you all again very, very soon.